Campus Research Day has been a long-standing tradition on Southern's campus. This research presentation event has grown to encompass nearly every academic department on campus, and McKee Library took on the massive task of organizing and coordinating the event. This year's event will be held on April 20, 2023. Campus Research Day is currently an in-person event that includes 3 competing oral presentation sessions, multiple non-competing oral presentation sessions, a poster session that is both competitive and non-competitive, and distance learning sessions. Campus Research Day provides students and faculty with a valuable opportunity to share their recent research with our campus. Students will be able to practice presenting in a formal academic setting to help prepare them for participating in professional conferences throughout their careers. Are you doing amazing research this semester? You could win cash for all your hard work. The Campus Research Day competition provides scholarship money awarded to 1 student poster presenter, as well as student presenters in 3 categories of oral presentations: the humanities, sciences, and social sciences. Each of the 3 category winners will receive $675. A winner will also be selected from the poster session, who will receive $100. If you aren't interested in competing, you can always present in one of our non-competing sessions. You'll still gain valuable experience from presenting for your peers and the faculty, without the pressure of competing against the other students. Even more, our campus will have the joy of learning about and celebrating the research that you put so much work into. To sign up for Campus Research Day, simply scan the QR code or follow the link provided. Be sure to follow the directions in the submission form and fill out the form entirely. If you do not receive a confirmation email, your submission form did not go through. Campus Research Day 2023 initial submissions are due by February 6th. We realize that titles and abstracts will be in progress and will need updating. All such changes must be finalized prior to the March 20 deadline. The March 20 deadline is a fixed deadline, and no new submissions will be accepted after the deadline to avoid logistical issues. Be sure to double check that you are signed up prior to March 20. We want you to participate in Campus Research Day. But in all seriousness, be sure to take advantage of this valuable opportunity to practice your presentation skills in a conference setting. We look forward to many more excellent research presentations for our Campus Research Day 2023 event. Don't wait to sign up. This event will help prepare you for your career ahead of you. If you have any questions, please contact Bethany Howard by calling 423-236-2791 or by emailing bfhoward@southern.edu. Happy researching and thanks for watching.